Hello dear students, welcome to the new video of General Science. Today's topic is structure of microorganism. In that we are going to learn about the harmful microorganisms. What is meaning of harmful? What happens to the sweet meat or bread forgotten in a lunch box for 3 to 4 days? It gets spoils. It gives us a bad smell. If a jar of pickle jams that is murabba are opened after a long time, a round layer of white scum or black particles are seen. What is that? It's a fungus. In summer, the milk gets spoiled, meat gets spoiled quickly. Fungus grows on this, that is in the moist state. We call it as the stale food. What do we do with that food? We throw it. Why? Because we cannot consume it. If we consume that spoiled food, what will happen? It will cause food poisoning. Food poisoning means these are the used foodstuffs for their own nutrition. Some microbes release the toxic materials called as enterotoxins into the food. Such toxins they spoil the food. Eating of such spoiled food can cause loose motions or vomiting. That means if we consume such spoiled food, our health will get degraded, or we can say we may cause with some diseases related to the intestines, or we can say loose motions will start, diarrhea, vomiting. This will cause a severe problem. That's why whenever we are cooking some food, we should consume it fresh. We cannot keep food for long hours or for long time. If we keep it for many days, it will start spoiling. That means the fungus will start growing on it, and if we consume it, we may cause food poisoning. Let us see. How will you know that a foodstuff is spoiled? By seeing the color, by taking a smell. What precautions will you take while purchasing food, and why? The answer is when we purchase a food, we should see the expiry date on it. Expiry date means the date till the food gets start degrading. That means the last date. If we consume a milk product, it is written generally to consume it within 2 days. Sometimes the medicines also you may have noticed is having expiry date. The food grade any food is having the expiry date. So the precautions you have to take that when you are purchasing the food, it should be in a fresh condition. Why do the food poisoning incident occur during marriage or other community feast? Because they may use the unhygienic condition or the stale food for a large amount of people. Pathogen disease producing microorganism. Pathogens may be present in the water bodies contaminated with the sewage or the dust from the surrounding. In food left uncovered is in unhygienic conditions with houseflies sitting on it, etc. Houseflies may contaminate the food. If such contaminated food or water is consumed, we may fall ill with the diseases of the alimentary canal. That means what? The housefly is a vector. It transfers the germs or the pathogens from outside to the food. Means if it sits on some of the unhygienic places, for example the open drainage system, and if the same housefly sits on the food, and if that food is consumed by you, the pathogen may enter in your body and will cause you certain diseases related to the alimentary canal. For example, the diseases like alimentary canal, the diseases are amoebiasis, typhoid, cholera, hepatitis, gastro problem, etc. Pathogens are released in the air when a person having an infection of respiratory tract, it sneezes or coughs. A healthy person may get infected with such pathogen on breathing in the same air and contract the diseases like common cold, cough, diphtheria, pneumonia, tuberculosis, etc. Mosquito reproduces in the places like the heaps of garbage, drains, stagnant water, etc. Microbes that causes disease like malaria, dengue, elephantiasis, yellow fever, chikungunya, Zika fever, etc. gain entry into the human body through the bite of female mosquito. We call those mosquito as Anopheles mosquitoes. Make sure to check, is the water tank and water in it is clean? Are the water tanks and toilets in the school clean? Is the water that accumulates in the pots, tires, can, etc. around the house is drained promptly? Are the water storage containers cleaned regularly? That means what? We should keep checking the water tanks. There should not be any stagnant water collected near your house. If it is found, the mosquito may start producing the eggs there, and that will turn into a larva, and then from there we may get the mosquitoes, and those mosquitoes can cause severe diseases as we have seen. Do you know what exactly happens when we have fever? The body temperature of human healthy being is about 37 degrees Celsius. If the microorganism enter our body, our immune system starts acting and the body temperature rises. This destroys the microorganism. The site of the injury also feels warm for the same reason. That's why when we are occurred with some kind of disease, the body temperature increase and we say that we are having a fever. That means your body shows some kind of response against those pathogens and diseases. Let us see now that we should eat the fresh and properly covered food. We should drink the boiled water. Hold a handkerchief over your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze. Do not allow garbage and water to accumulate around your house. This is all the good habits what we should follow. These are the healthy habits and hygienic habits which we should follow. As we know that drinking boiled water, holding a handkerchief, washing the hands properly, eat the covered food, don't allow the garbage. These are all the good habits which will keep away from the disease. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Almost 80% of all the diseases occurs due to uncleanliness. Keeping our surrounding clean, avoiding the litter and disposing the garbage properly, avoiding defecation in the open are some of the easiest way to stop the spread of diseases. Government is already taking the actions for making our country clean. Thank you for watching the video.